down a bit. This side-on Titan engines, reversing Titan engines. I need to put more side-on engines here to assist the thing in moving to the sides. And here's some top ones, same with the other side, and there's also some bottom ones, which I got a lot of work, of course, just to make it look better. But you get the gist of it. Again, 2 more Titan engines somewhere back here, which I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. I probably want to... That would have been bad. That would have been very bad. Let me put in the light armor. There we go. There we go. 2 ports for Titan engines, right there. So there will be 2 more Titan engines there, so the thing will be able to move forward, reverse, up, down, left, and right a lot easier. I'm probably going to put a ton of gyros in there. Actually, I'm thinking I might want to leave these facings smooth. I'm not sure. Maybe something around the edge, but just leave it smooth so it looks just this nice smoothness, a little difference, you know. But a few guns around here, a few guns around there to protect this forward face, a bunch of Vulcans and stuff. Something on the top of these Titan engines that are bulging out of the side to protect them. Not sure what I'll do with the back. I need to do something. Maybe I'll put a small hangar in the back there. Maybe not. It would be a good idea to put a small hangar there. And again, coil guns on the side of this. As the bottom has nothing currently. I will be extending this greatly going down. Just need to do it. Yeah, I forgot to mention about the big Berthas. That's those enormous cannons on the front of those. And, yeah. That's everything. That's all the changes. It's getting there. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I did add these ion engines tucked in here on the back. Just a handful there, a lot there, and on the bottom. But again, it's the Titan engines that are providing most of the thrust. Seriously, why are they not in the vanilla game? They use Titan engines. So yeah. But yeah, I figured this here would look good. You know, it's like you got an upper and a lower docking bay and landing pad, which will help you reload the cargo of the thing. And yeah, this whole thing is supposed to be just an elevator. I was thinking of putting like a ladder to go all the way up. That would be a climb, and have it sticking in. So it'd have to, of course, be careful of this. So it'd probably have to go there, which would be a kind of a pain. But I could do it and just have it stick out there, so you could access the upper to the lower via ladder instead of a gravity. So yeah. Oh, the main bridge. I forgot. Main bridge lower section. The main bridge lower section is a meeting room with a gravity generator. This didn't have gravity. So this meeting room, you have immediate control over the ship, a few defensive turrets, and you will have a hologram turned on its side of the Dreadnought because, yeah, it's just, yeah. Yeah. It's coming. I do need. I got a lot of work to do. A little bit of Vulcans and stuff on the front of this, top, bottom. I think maybe some battleship cannons there, but definitely coil guns on the side. I might leave the front and back of that plane because of what's sitting next to it. You gotta add a little bit of plainness, you know. So coil guns on the side, and just plain and empty on the front and back of that. Because I also have this to do, all the guns for this. Yeah. I'm going to upload this as is to the Steam Workshop as well, for safekeeping of the blueprint. Just in case. There have been a few power failures here, and I don't want to risk it. So you will be seeing that every now and then. And I'll probably delete the previous version as well. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. And, yeah. Take care. Hey YouTube, Gunham here. Welcome back to Space Engineers. I've made a bit of progress, and I also found I did not tell you about the big Bertha guns over there, which you cannot actually see from here, but you probably can from down here. Yeah. Alright, so I've made a little progress on the main bridge. It's double leveled. We have a helm, another helm, various command chairs for various things. The Admiral's chair, or unless he wants to observe from here, a few things. They still need. It has its own oxygen generation and tank, and it obviously there's a few gun turrets around. There is going to still be some stuff coming down from the from the ceiling. I need to do that, but. This is where the main bridge is. Very thick glass. It's very exposed, but again, it's only one bridge out of several. There are still those two, which I forgot to do the insides of. That's okay. But going inside here, it's extremely dark, as it's triple thick glass. It's useful. There is a nice area here, which goes down a few decks. This here will be leading to the Captain or Admiral's ready room. That is the main entrance, which this will lead to a massive CIC I intend to put in here. Just absolutely gigantic CIC zoom. We'll access it somehow from these. That's not a problem. I'm thinking maybe making this a hallway going through, and then the Admiral's office actually above one floor, because this is kind of deep and into there. There is an access port here, which again, you could call this a temporary thing. I'm thinking of extending that all the way over to there. Go from there. Modifications to weapons. I finally added a few more of these coil guns. These things are extremely powerful weapons. Very long range, great piercing potential. I need to add quite a few more of these in different locations. Obviously a very large group of Vulcans, and a few heavy defensive cannons. The same is on the top, except for I had to get rid of one. And then I added this section, which I'm clearly still working on, heavily, very heavily. It looks like junk right now. But I've added these three massive spines, which on the ship, that's where that big gap is in the middle, which means this here is technically supposed to be only about halfway height-wise on this thing. But on this, it's a bit more than that. However, I've already decided I want to extend the height, going down significantly, but with something nice, small, and skinny. So we'll see. Very horrible frames there. That's okay. Much better. So, now, a little something about these. You'd think they're kind of weak. I'm still working on the middle one, but these are solid. This is solid, heavy armor in here. Something that's empty like this, which, yes, that's where these thrusters go. It's just, it looks like this. You can see the inside face. But if it's literally a solid block of armor, where did that go? No. Yes. If it's a solid block of armor, it looks like this. You can see the stuff that's different. And you can see the inside of that. But yeah, this is just a solid block of armor. The middle one I'm still working on. I'm not sure. But this is where this pathway is. I'm going to put... I guarantee I'm putting coil guns on this thing. Lots of them. And then on the back here, obviously a very large amount of guns. There are flak guns, defense cannons, more flak guns, tons of Vulcans. Oh yeah, I put them on the front of this one, these cannons like that, which, they'll work. Obviously there's a lot less Vulcans and flak here, but I do have the entire, I do have the entire top of that and the entire bottom of that. So there's that. Let's see. Oh yes, I added this massive block here. That leads into the hangar bit, which I've adjusted a little. Added a few connectors. I've added for the elevators these massive amount of exposed cargo. And it is currently open on the inside. I'm going to change that. I have moved this to the upper one, added a few shield emitters in there, and added some heavier defensive cannons. Obviously, these have to be careful to shoot the own ship, but that's the true for most of it. I believe those Vulcans are already there. But as for going forward, we have the 8 Titan engines on the back, but for stopping and all that, we don't have anything until these showed up. Well, showed up, I built them. I'm going to extend these